Ever wondered how robots move with such precision? What makes your drawer slide but your fan spin? It all comes down to just two basic motion pairs. First one is Prismatic and another one is Revolute. Let's break it down with animations and real world examples. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are diving into two fundamental kinetic pairs used in machines, robotics and mechanisms. Now first let us see what is a kinematic pair. A kinematic pair is a connection between two parts that allow motion. These pairs define how parts of a mechanism move with respect to each other. Now first we will see what is a revolute pair. A revolute pair, also known as a hinge joint, allows rotation around a fixed axis. Think of it like a door hinge or the elbow joint of your arm. One part rotates and other stays fixed. The key points to be noted: it has 1 degree of freedom, that is rotation. It is commonly used in robots, mechanical arms and linkages. Now let us see what is a prismatic pair. A prismatic pair, also called a sliding pair, it allows linear motion. There is no rotation, just a straight slide. Think about a drawer in your desk or the piston inside a car engine. Key points to be noted: it also has 1 degree of freedom, that is translation. It is commonly used in pistons, hydraulic cylinder, sliders. Now let us see the side-by-side comparison of prismatic and revolute pair. Revolute pair is for rotation, prismatic pair is for translation. Revolute joints are like elbows, prismatic joints are like pistons. What are the real-life applications of these pairs? So for the revolute pair, we can use it as robotic arm joints, bicycle pedals, etc. And for the prismatic pair, it can be used in car suspension, CNC machines, you can see in the drawers, etc. So that is all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.